Oh my God!
Inside of the vehicle until the attraction returns to the station.
All set? All clear, dispatch.
Wait, are we done? Is that fast? Is it really?
No, they're just letting that train go, and then we go in, and then we get out.
We can go again.
Yep.
Oh, terrifying. Maybe later.
Welcome back. Usually, you can keep your eyes on inside the right vehicle until the document says your grab bar will open automatically. Please exit to your left and down the stairs. Thank you for joining the Trailblazer and enjoy the rest of your day.
Hey guys, thanks for riding this roller coaster with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please be sure to leave a like, comment, share, and also subscribe as well. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!